Hello everyone, I'm Shivendra Singh Dungarpur. I'm the director of CzechMate in Search of Jiří Menzel. I'm very thankful to the Czech Center for screening this film as a tribute to Jiří. I'm also grateful to Melly Modi for giving this amazing platform through which many of you across UK and Ireland could watch this film. I'm also very excited that you're watching Cutting It Short, one of my favorite films and one of my favorite films which drew me to meet Jiří. It's a film about life, it's a film about Jiří's life, Hrabal's life, Hrabalesque way of looking at life. It's a film about Czech culture, it's about women, it's about everything which embodies Jiří Menzel. CzechMate in Search of Jiří Menzel took 8 years in the making. It was in 2010 when I landed up in Prague and I wanted to just interview Jiří Menzel because I was in love with closely watched trains. You know, I saw it when I was a student at the Film Institute. And all my early days I spent thinking that one day I'm going to go across to Prague and meet Jiří Menzel, the man who made closely watched trains. And here I was, meeting him in a cafe. It was an half an hour meeting full of life, humor, the way Jiří is. And he invited me home the next day. And that sort of set the whole ball rolling, that I came back the very next year. And I think it was in my second year that I started thinking that I need to make a film. But I never thought that I need to complete anything. I was just going with the flow of life. I was just being with Jiří. I was trying to understand his work, watch films with him, discover Czech New Wave, meet other filmmakers. But those 8 years were those wonderful 8 years which I spent making that film. It was a film about our relationship, a relationship which I think of every day. Jiří, we are missing you terribly as we screened the film, and I was very, very grateful to Melly Modi that he was able to release the Blu-ray right on time, and he was able to send it to Jiří to watch the film, which happened just a few weeks ago before he passed away. So I want to thank all of you who have taken out the time to come and watch the film. Let's think of Jiří, and I'm sure, as the Czechs say, he would be smiling up while we watch his film. Thank you very much.